Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making quiche, y'all. And the noise is my children and grandchildren, so just excuse any noise you hear. So, I'm going to be using, you see, this is broccoli, cheese. This is some turkey sausage I got in the skillet. I am going to cook, let's see, I'm going to put some onions in it. And then I'm going to do some pork sausage and put onions in it. So I have two different kinds for anybody that want to slice that doesn't eat, the people that say they don't eat pork. So anyway, but I'm going to put the broccoli, just put it with some butter, seasoning. And this is about 2 cups of broccoli in the microwave. And I'll let it be cooking while my sausage is cooking. This is my turkey sausage, yeah. I make two. I use this in 2 pieces, and I've used the other sausage in the other 2 pieces. Just a little something, something. We've been eating fried chicken tonight so far. Tony brought fried chicken over, so we've been eating chicken legs and chicken wings, and I had a salad and a drumstick. So I thought, let me go ahead and do some quiche. And then tomorrow we'll do a dinner, and that'll kick the new year off. Sort of wind it down and kick it off. And we're drinking some homemade wine, a little bit of homemade wine. Friend, do not stand over there and look at me like that.
What
I'm trying to. Oh, right over there, stuff on the side. I meant to ask Tony to bring some more trash bags. Anyway, we're just live and remote in here tonight. So, anyway, I just want to let y'all see what I'm doing here tonight. This is just a little extra added adventure we got going on here. So, I know I've done quiche before on here, but this is just a one of those things that you can eat while you're just sitting around. Because it's just 7:59, honey. We got hours to go before we actually say Happy New Year, so we have to have something to nibble on. And quiche will be one of the things. Nobody's here but me, Tansy, Tanya, and Kareem. Anybody else? Is Kareem coming over here? Oh, they're coming tonight. They must be in tonight. They probably got company anyway. When they hear about what we eat, they're going to think, oh, quiche and chicken. Okay, we will be right back. Okay, now I got my loose pork sausage in there. Doing the same thing to it. Just going to saute it with the onions that are mixed in, and this is going to be for quiche as well. It's going to be my pork sausage and then my turkey sausage. By the way, I ran across some, I think it was Genio's, and I didn't buy any, the loose turkey sausage. I think I'm going to have to go back and grab some just to try to see what it tastes like. But the one that I made, this is the one that I made that I'm using tonight, so turn that heat down a little bit. But we're looking forward to eating this quiche. Couple slices tonight. I'll be making 4 quiche, so we'll have plenty for tomorrow. On the menu tomorrow, I've got black eyed peas, collards, stuffing, mac and cheese. Trying to think what else. I said black eyed peas, collards, mac and cheese, stuffing. Oh, turkey wings. I think that's the only meat I'm going to cook tomorrow, turkey wings. I think that's quite enough. If anybody needs any other kind of meat, I suggest that they might need to cook it. Tomorrow's going to be an easy day because I'll tell you, I already got the mac and cheese and my stuffing is already ready. I had those pans from Thanksgiving that I cooked the extra. So I made it sort of easy on myself this time around. Okay, so this will be done in just a few seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. We're ready to put the quiche together. I'm gonna go ahead first and do the these are gonna be the ones with the sausage, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way how I'm gonna distinguish them once I get them done, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna start with the meat, the broccoli, the cheese, and then I'll pour over my mixture. Okay, now to make these four, and these are just your regular pie shells. These are not deep dish. If you like deep dish, then wonderful. But I like the kind of thin ones. I don't like it too thick. So I do the regular pie shell. So I'm using 3 cups of sliced or grated cheese, 2 cups of broccoli, microwaved or sauteed. I'm using a pound of pork sausage and a pound of the turkey sausage, okay? And I'm going to use a cup and a half per pie shell, okay? So to make that cup and a half of mixture, I used 5 cups of milk, and I used half and half, and let me see, and then I put in there, I put a cup of cheese in there, and a tablespoon, a couple tablespoon and a half of flour. I put all that together. That's 5 cups of half and half, 1 cup of cheese, and a tablespoon and a half of flour. I put all that together, and then I put a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of complete seasoning, or put salt if you got salt. Mix that, put that in your blender and blend it up really good. And then we're going to take that a cup and a half. You should have 5 cups in there, so that means you can use 1, 2, 3, a cup and a fourth per pie. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, like I said, this is my. Let me go ahead and give them. The kiddos are eating hot chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and give them that hot water so they don't have to come across my cooking area again. Okay, Tanya, your hot chocolate water is ready. It's very hot. Okay. You need to grab a paper towel before you pick that up, because that thing is wet and hot.
Okay.
It's just that.
Oh, you filled it all the way up with water.
Mm-hmm. So, well, because I knew it was going to boil over, because I put it where it would boil. Okay, y'all know we got 500 things going on here, don't y'all? Okay. So, first we're going to start out with...
Are you comfortable?
Oh, yeah, I'm very comfortable. I bought me some stews from the antique store. When I get them covered, I'll show them to y'all. But I bought these stews that are tall enough so I can sit when I don't feel like standing. How's that?
I might get me another coffee cup.
I'm gonna go with.
Huh?
I love mine. Oh, Lisa bought me one.
Yeah, those are nice.
Which ones?
It says "Hello, Beautiful," I think. Okay, we're gonna put the.
Not that one.
Mm-hmm.
The one that you want the water up in. Oh, I need to quiet on them.
Oh, I don't care. I mean,
I need to reach over you without.
What you need?
I just need a coffee cup.
Oh.
See, because right here, let me just show you something.
These are clean here.
Okay, let me just show you something. That's going to mess up my feng shui.
What's that?
No.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, it's crap.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I didn't mean for you to use that cup, because it's too hot for your lips. Remember, that cup will burn your lips off. I'm messing with Tony about this coffee cup. No. I just use that to heat it. And I was not going to heat. I have a Tuskegee Airman cup, y'all, and I was not supposed to be heating stuff in it. But you know how it goes when the first thing available when you're doing certain things. We're not putting a lot of broccoli in.
I'm doing hot cocoa with marshmallows.
My children here tonight, honey, so we just going for what we know. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put it. I bought mushrooms and decided I didn't want mushrooms, so guess what I did? Put them back. So here we go. We have lots of nice cheese in there. It's gonna be nice and cheesy. Put me that other one in there.
It already did, so I'm taking it out because it's been there since I went to Krispy Kreme.
Oh, okay. Okay, we'll have lots of nice cheese in here. This, ooh, I want you to taste a piece. Cynthia gave me this cheese, huh? This is some good sharp cheddar.
Let me taste it. What kind is it?
It's a sharp cheddar.
By who?
I don't even know. I need to ask her what the name of that company is. That's some good cheddar cheese to me.
Oh yeah,
It's almost like you got meat with it or something. That's some good
That's
cheddar.
that cheese that'll bite you.
Mm-hmm. Love that.
That is pretty good.
You can tell it's a good cheddar. You know, cheddar cheese, you think it's cheddar.
Cheddar makes everything taste.
But when you get a real good cheddar, there's a difference. Okay, see now that pie, that pan is full. And now what I need to do, y'all, is pour on my mixture. Okay, so now, and remember now, this mixture has cheese in it as well, so we're going to pour in. Okay, and this is going to be perfect. You know how I know it's going to be perfect? Because I need a cup and a fourth. Okay. That's my cup. And here's my fourth. And that's enough. That's perfect. I love me. Slide that one to the side. Got that one filled up. And next we're going to just go on with this next one. This is the pork sausage one. And I'm just going to take and put it.
It's going to make me upset.
No, it's good. You just gotta watch it.
This one's going to be a, ooh, this one got lots of meat in it. I think I cheated that first one, y'all. So the meat and onions in this one is going to be tremendous. Tremendo. So anyway, we got the meat and cheese in that one. So this will be nice and full. And that's just a little piece of pie crust, y'all. Don't panic. Don't panic. And next we're going to get our broccoli going. I just want just a little bit of broccoli in there for whatever. Everybody don't like a lot of broccoli. And they ain't going to have to worry about it tonight because I didn't cook a lot. What, honey, that, yeah, that's another opener in the drawer there. That one's not going to work. Huh? Yeah. I don't know where that one came from. Space, from outer space. I don't know where that came from. Don't
get us started.
Yeah, that's what I said, like the old folks. I'm old folks. Old folks said, don't start me the line. Please don't start me the line about that kind of stuff. Anyway, we're going to get this cheese on there. This cheese, I'm telling you what, my neighbor gave me, someone gave her a block of cheese, and she shared it with me. Because she know I like good cheese. And honey, this is some good cheese. So this was the inspiration behind this quiche. The cheese is the inspiration behind this. When I tasted that cheese, I said, oh yes, we must have some. There we go. That one's filled up. And we're going to go ahead now. See how simple this is? Once you get your ingredients cooked up, y'all, it just does not take that long. Okay? Okay, now we got 1 cup of mixture. Oh, I used 15 eggs. Did I tell you how many? I don't think I told you how many eggs. I used 15 eggs for this. Yeah, 15 eggs. Okay, so there's the second one. I'm going to go ahead. Now, I'm going to set my oven to 350. And we're going to probably bake about 30, 45 minutes. Okay? They just went to Krispy Kreme and got donuts. Believe that. Okay, now, this is my turkey meat quiche.
Lauren got one. She know that's a tease.
What'd you get?
What kind of donuts did you get, Lauren?
I can't eat these until they cool down.
So they were just baked.
Yeah, they had the hot, what's it called?
Sign.
The hot sign on the money. Everybody was wrapped around
I
that.
remember that.
Wrapped around a ray.
Oh, child, y'all something.
Now, you know what you should have did economically?
What?
Oh, Lord, economically.
You should have got 2 dozens of glaze for the 12 and then 6 chocolate ice.
I thought about that, but I said, Tansy, that is ridiculous. I'm not gonna spy.
Thank you. That showed
But
strength.
Tansy, look. This is my fix, and I'll be done.
It doesn't matter about you.
Are you talking about for you? What?
Ooh, honey, y'all
I asked you point straight up.
They bought a dozen of donuts now between 3 people.
$12.
Oh, really?
And they could have gotten, I guess, more. So now 3 people, a dozen of donuts. My Chipotle and help them, Lord. Y'all help them.
Because I even looked at Lauren.
Y'all help them.
I don't need to get all them donuts.
Chance said, honey, you should just want, because they had a special 2 dozen for $12 or something. So Tanya opted for 6 chocolate, 6 glaze.
Because what would have happened? And
Okay, so now we're ready to do the.
He didn't want any. That's the only reason why I didn't get that other.
I can't believe Kareem not eating them.
Kareem was gonna eat donut. He was being funny.
When is he gonna eat donut?
If he had told.
Oh, y'all gonna save him some?
And what's
his own mama said.
I asked him straight up. He said, I ain't gonna eat no donuts. I don't want no donuts.
Well, maybe.
So that's why I didn't get but 1 dozen.
I think between. Well, how many y'all eating out of donuts?
I'm eating only 3.
See, I got to have these chocolate. I can't stop eating these chocolate ones.
The chocolate glazed ones is the bomb diggity.
They are the best in the world.
See, they just like I already said.
Now, did they just bake the chocolate ones as well?
Yeah, but they're not. They're French, but they're not as French as the glazed. You don't never find these hot.
I think the thing is people like people like the original. Okay, last one. This is
It will look right on the donut.
the turkey meat
Instead of
in
being
here.
chocolate and ice, it would be slide down in donut.
Honey, you think this was a discussion about the State of the Union about these donuts, man?
Ooh, that hot cocoa is good. I got 2.
It's good with the little marshmallows in it.
It does. Because it's a hot sweet. Hot sweet with a cold sweet, it equals it out.
Hey, y'all, there they are. The quiche are out of the oven, beautifully brown, cheesy, and ready to be eaten. Okay, Tansy's ready. I'm gonna have. Okay.
Oh, she not. Okay.
Yeah, the quiche are out of the oven. They're ready to be eaten. Listen, thank y'all for tuning in with me while I cook the quiche. Listen, keep the prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Until I decide to cook dinner for tomorrow on New Year's, I'm going to say Happy New Year's Eve to y'all. Love you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Toodaloo. Tansy, go ahead and cut you some now.
Okay. Which one is the pork and which one is
this one here is... Let's see.
You should know by the way that they brown.
Well, okay, that's turkey. Beef. That's the turkey. Yeah, I mean, I'm talking about beef. Those are the turkey. Yeah, those are turkey ones. I put toothpicks in them. These are the pork ones.
Okay, I need pork.
Okay, Tansy's gonna eat the pork.
Don't y'all just love that knife?
You know what? I think that's a cheese knife. It don't matter.
This is cheese.
Okay. You need a spatula.
Now what else? She don't just do crochet. She do other things.
Yeah. Well, she's the one who does the braids. This other lady, I don't know she did like. I'm only gonna make this 3 pieces, y'all, cause y'all are watching. Cause if y'all weren't watching, this would be my whole piece. Matter of fact, let me get my phone.
Tansy wants to do crochet.
Oh,
cut it. I ain't never in my life doing no crochet. You want me to cut it?
Yeah. And then I think I can lift
what
it
you
out.
wearing is not crochet. Oh, okay.
Those are real hair. That's her real hair.
Okay, got you.
Whose hair?
Tanya just so clueless to anything.
I am.
Okay.
So you dyed your hair?
I need my other
piece. You want another piece?
Yes. Or do I want a piece of each?
Okay, now.
Let me see.
So,
give me a second.
The person that I can maybe I can go see her and she can do a consultation. I can give her pictures of what I want. Now, does she do just strictly braids or does she do...
Okay, y'all. We're gone.